Denmark is making a significant shift away from Microsoft Windows and Office 365 in favor of Linux and open-source software, marking a major step toward digital sovereignty and cost efficiency. Here's why the Danish government is making this move: reducing dependency on proprietary software. Denmark aims to decrease its reliance on foreign tech giants like Microsoft, ensuring greater control over its IT infrastructure. By adopting Linux and open-source alternatives, the government can avoid vendor lock-in and maintain flexibility in software development and security. Cost savings are also a big reason. Licensing fees for Windows and Office 365 are substantial, especially for public sector use. Transitioning to free and open-source software like Linux, for example Ubuntu, Debian and LibreOffice or OnlyOffice, could save millions in taxpayer money. Enhanced security and data privacy are key benefits. With growing concerns over cybersecurity and data sovereignty, Denmark sees open-source software as more transparent and auditable. Unlike proprietary systems, Linux allows the government to inspect and modify code, reducing risks of backdoors or unauthorized data access. Compliance with EU digital policies is another important factor. The European Union has been advocating for greater use of open-source software among member states to foster innovation and reduce reliance on United States tech monopolies. Denmark's move aligns with the EU's digital strategy for public administrations. So let's talk about Denmark's previous success with open source. Denmark has already experimented with open-source solutions in municipalities and public institutions. For example, some schools and local governments have successfully switched to Linux-based systems, which really proves the feasibility of a nationwide transition. But, there are definitely challenges ahead, especially when it comes to user adaptation. Employees who are used to Windows and Office might face a bit of a learning curve. And then there's software compatibility. Some proprietary applications just might not run natively on Linux, so that'll require alternatives or maybe virtualization. Plus, support and maintenance will be key. The government will need to invest in training IT staff, or perhaps collaborate with open-source service providers. So what's next? Well, Denmark plans a phased migration starting with pilot projects in select agencies before going for a full-scale rollout. If this all works out, it could definitely inspire other European countries to follow suit. And here's a final thought. Denmark's shift signals a growing trend toward open-source adoption in governments worldwide, driven by cost, security, and sovereignty concerns. While challenges remain, this could indeed be, the year of Linux for Denmark, and possibly the start of a broader movement.